morning, everyone. Well, today we're getting away from a little farm work and got a gentleman that has an amputated leg that needs a ramp put on his house. So some of you have seen this trailer probably in the background of some of the videos, off to the side or whatever. But as you can see, part of the Methodist Church with our two churches here in the county, large Methodist churches in the county, we're getting together, some guys, and going to put a handicap ramp on this gentleman's house. So that's where we're going. So it's a cold day, but one thing about it, won't get too hot, I guess. It's probably better to build the ramp in chilly weather than it is in hot weather. But anyway, come along for the ride. We'll see you there. Hey there, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that little video of building that ramp on that gentleman's house there. Took us a couple days to do it. I think the total, the first day we had about 10 people, and then the last day we had the 4 of us there working on it. So it was about 16 hours to get that thing done. So like I say, I hope you enjoyed it, but I just got back, unhooked the trailer. I'm getting ready to unload my tools out of the trailer. So if you like that video, there's some and if you would like to subscribe, hit the little subscribe button over here on this side, and up here you'll see another video that you can watch, or a series of videos up here on this side. So anyway, like I say, glad to do it. Put these videos out there for you. I'll be putting them out there about once a week. So have a good day. Appreciate y'all.